Hello, this is Ethan Hoffman with Mercedes-Benz in Northwest Arkansas, and today I wanted to go over one of the more popular packages available on the all-new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE, like the one we're currently in, the GLE 350, and that's going to be the parking assistance package with surround view system. Basically, this system will allow you to identify parking spaces, both perpendicular and parallel, of which you can have the vehicle automatically park itself, of course with supervision, and it's very easy to use. All you do is, while driving at lower speeds, go ahead and push the parking assistance button, which is down here in the center console, and it's going to automatically go look for parking spaces on both the right and left side of the vehicle. As you go past the spaces, it's going to ding to identify certain spaces, and then once you find one that is suitable that you'd like to park in, like this one here, once I pass that, just go ahead and press the brake, come to a complete stop, then you'll notice the change on the screen there. Go ahead and select that parking space. It's going to give you the option of whether you want to pull in forward or backward. So I'm going to go ahead and hit reverse. Then it's going to indicate that it wants you to go ahead and put the vehicle in reverse. Then what you'll do is put the vehicle in reverse, and then just kind of take a loose hand of the wheel, let off the brake, and let the vehicle do the rest. You'll hear the turn signal it puts on to indicate which space it's going into. Now don't worry if you're super close to another car, it should automatically adjust itself. You'll notice it's now put itself automatically back into drive. No manual intervention on my part. It's going to straighten itself out, give it a little bit more room. Go back into reverse. And then automatically line you up near perfect. You'll see it's also identifying the curb. And it's going to automatically put the vehicle in park for you, and ding, indicating that the parking assistance is finished. Awesome feature. Notice that goes away now. Now whether you turn the vehicle off or go right back to it, you can also have the system pull you out of the spot as long as you used it to pull into the spot as well. All you do for that is go ahead and push the parking assistance button again. And you'll see on the screen here, you just have to indicate whether you want to pull out to the left or pull out to the right. Even though we were going to the right direction, let's go ahead and say we're going to go out to the left direction. Select that. It's going to indicate that it wants you to go ahead and put the system into drive. So put my foot on the brake, put the vehicle into drive, let off the brake. It's got the turn signal on, indicating that we're going to the left. And then I have my hand near the wheel here because eventually it's going to let go and give control back to the driver. And there you go. You see it's indicating to have your hands on the steering wheel. The other features on the parking assist you can see as well, but basically it's going to give you several different views. You can see here mixed with the front end view, the surround view. Kind of looks like even aerial drone over the vehicle. It's really impressive what Mercedes has done to stitch these together. Surround view systems aren't necessarily new, but in the past you've had sharp lines in between the 4 different cameras giving you that image. It's also got the surrounding sensors, sonar sensors you may have noticed as it was getting closer to the vehicle, letting you know how close you are to the vehicle. You know, the older systems would get the job done, but this is just an incredibly sharp image. Also, you have a front view here that does not have the direction indicators. This would be if you were had 2 large SUVs or something, or Sprinters on either side of you that you could not see. This allows you to kind of see what's coming on either side of you much easier. Then we go back to the view we were just in. Since it was pulling forward, that's the view that it was in. But this will tell you which direction the wheel is pointed if you're in drive. Go down one more, you've got the 360 view as well as the side views, allowing you to see the curbs a lot easier. The reverse view with the wide version of it. This one here is going to be your generic back. Now if I'm not in reverse, you won't see the guidelines, but if I go ahead and put it into reverse, you'll now see the guidelines there. And then also finally, because this particular vehicle has the towing assistance package on it as well, you'll see the towing assistance camera in conjunction with the parking assistance package. So hopefully you found that helpful. It's an incredibly awesome feature. No wonder that most of them have it on it. because if it doesn't, our customers are probably going to want to get one that does have it on it. But my name is Ethan Hoffman. Feel free to call me with any questions you may have or comments on this particular tutorial, or if you would like to see something additional, I'd be happy to do that as well. You can also text or call me anytime at 479-239-1382, or email me at ehoffman, Hoffmann, @drivesuperior.com. Thank you again for watching, and you have a great rest of the day.